This is my favorite part of the car. It now produces 745 horsepower. There are horses over there and it's just too loud. The G-forces are even turning on my phone. We are at 309.10 kilometers an hour now. What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this POV review by AutoTopNL. My name is Max, and today we've got a very special car from one of our viewers. His name is Roland, and he has an insane Mercedes AMG C63 S Coupe Edition 1. And why is it insane? Well, I'm going to tell you and show you today. First, I'm going to walk around it, show you all the cool features on this car. Then we'll take it for a drive towards the Autobahn and do a quick Autobahn blast because this thing is ridiculously quick. So let's start by the look. It is matte gray. This is the C63 S Edition 1 spec, so the matte gray with the yellow striping. It also has some AMG GTR wheels with a yellow edge around it, carbon ceramic brakes, more yellow striping, carbon fiber mirror caps. This is the Instagram account of the owner. Go follow him. Crazy car. Because this is my favorite part of the car. C63R. That is what it's called. And rumor has it, or the story goes at least, that the previous owner took this car to Mercedes or to AMG. Well, you're not going to make a black series, but I want a black series, so could you please fix that? So it has the rear spoiler, which is huge, of the previous generation C63 Black Series, which is freaking awesome. So cool. And that's also why there's this C63R badge. This is the badge from the AMG GTR. Well, it deserves it, I think. It also has a Krapovich Evolution exhaust and a carbon fiber rear diffuser from PSM Dynamics, which is freaking awesome. Especially this part is so cool with that bend in there. Really, really, really cool. I love it. And there's another reason why this car deserves to have that R badge. Because the beating heart of the beast. 4-liter V8 bi-turbo, stock 510 horsepower. This one has had some work done by Rentec mainly. It has Rentec Stage 2 turbos, Rentec downpipes with a Euro 6 Sport catalytic converter. So it's not decatted, but it has Sport Cat, which is cool. It has a Rentec blow-off valve. It has a Rentec air intake. It has a Rentec custom ECU remap. It has Rentec transmission fortification, and it has Rentec transmission software. And it also has Rentec fuel pumps and race air filters. So a lot of work has gone into this car, and it now produces 745 horsepower, 950 Newton meters, which is a lot. So let's take it for a drive and see what it's like to drive this beast. For starters, it is super loud and really nice and messy, but I'm not going to rev it here because there are horses over there and it's just too loud. So we'll do it while driving. And I'm also going to do a draggy measurement on the Autobahn. So I'm going to install my phone. There we go. Okay, so we are in comfort mode right now, I believe. So that also means that the valves are closed. It also has KW coilovers with a lowering set, and it has the stock AMG Bilstein ride control. So it still has the adaptive dampers, but it has a KW coilover set that has been lowered to give it some more stance. Okay, so let's start in comfort, because this is kind of civilized. You do hear that Rentec blow-off valve. Oh, such an awesome sound. Again, cows on the left, residents on the left in this farm. I'm going to keep the valves closed until we get to the next road. But what is it like to drive it like this in comfort mode? It is actually really nice. It's kind of comfortable. It's quiet. I mean, this is a really, really good setup because this tune is insane. I can already feel that it has been done to perfection. And the fact that it has 745 horsepower, 950 newton meters, and you can still drive it like this with the valves closed and just like a regular C63, that's always a good sign. Okay, so let's go for race mode. Oh, and that means that we've got sport for the traction control as well, and we are going to get, oh, that doesn't matter, we already have one. Okay, so get ready guys. Manual mode, yep. Oi, oi, oi. The G-forces are even turning on my phone. Oh, that's quick. Oi. Oh, this is such a good tune. Oh man, this makes me want one. This is so loud, so fast, but still so manageable. So that's a little bit of wheel spin, of course, but that's not weird. You know, that's to be expected. Okay, draggy, just freaking out. There we go. Oh, I love this thing already. Okay, so driving it, it's like driving a normal C63, only a lot quicker. And that's the biggest compliment you can give a tuned car, because if it feels like a regular car, it's a good tune. Okay, so traction wise, we're in sport mode. Yeah, it struggles a little bit, but it's not too bad. And the transmission software is also really good, and the fortification, because you do feel that it shifts very quickly. Oh man, this thing picks up. It's crazy. Woo! That already was a 6.5 second 100 to 200, and I wasn't even trying. Okay, I'm going to start. Ugh. Stupid overtakers. Okay, third gear. I'm going to have to gamble. Okay, I'm going for comfort, suspension. Oh, that's quick. That is quick, ladies and gentlemen. This is a very, very quick car. Just going to get some space here. Third gear. That's a 6.2, 100 to 200, which is very, very fast. Oh, but this car feels so good. That AMG ride control and comfort means that it's a little bit more forgiving for the bumps and stuff. Carbon ceramic brakes, thank you very much. Oh, this is a fantastic car. Oh, and it's really quick. So, a lot of work has gone into this car, a lot of different parts, a lot of different parts, a lot of, you know, there's a lot going on underneath this car, but it feels like it's one thing, you know. It feels like everything is so well connected and just works really well together, which is freaking awesome. Oh, man. Yeah, a lot of wheel spin in second gear, of course. Oh, absolutely love this setup. So, the fact that this is a 745 horsepower, 950 Newton meter car, and it doesn't feel intimidating, that is a testament to the quality of the tune. The fact that it feels so balanced and just... Oh, come on, buddy. And we know that these engines, they don't have a problem delivering stuff like this. I mean, this is probably one of my favorite engines because it is ridiculous. Even when someone goes totally crazy and does something that's this extreme, it still feels freaking awesome. By the way, we are at 310 kilometers an hour now, and it's absolutely no problem. Oh man, Roland, buddy, what a machine you've got. What a car you've built. This is impressive. This is hella awesome. There we go. Oh, okay. We've got a problem. I want one. I really want one. Please give me one of these estates with this setup. I would be happy as punch. Oh, that blow-off sound is also so lovely in combination with that rumbling V8 and that crackling exhaust. I think Roland will probably have like a subscription to his tire shop, because I can imagine that you go through a lot of tires. Okay, so traction control is completely off now. Let's see what happens when we floor it right around here. Second gear. Yeah, so that's second gear. Oh man. It's incredible how easy this car does everything. I mean, it honestly doesn't feel like it's a tuned car, and I always love moments like these, you know, just driving a car. You know, of course you're expecting something beforehand, but it's just awesome when a car exceeds your expectations. So the fastest we did 100 to 200 is 6.24. Earlier we did a 6.15. So that's like a second quicker than an AMG C63 4-door coupe, the longest name in history. But a second quicker, I mean, that is impressive. Oh man. Okay, let's do first gear. it's not bad actually. Of course my tires are quite hot now from the Autobahn run and the tarmac is heating up because we are getting a little bit more sun. But that is impressive. I was really expecting to be like in a cloud of smoke, but it did all right. Oh my god, this thing is... Oh, this thing is awesome. Okay guys, I'm going to end it here. I hope you enjoyed it. I certainly did. You can subscribe by clicking the big button right here. You can check out this video or go check out this playlist. You can also buy this GPS performance box in our store, top right corner. Thanks for watching and I'll see you at the next one. Bye.